Put, put, put. Oh, you want to go over here, Bossy? Should we turn around and go this way?
You want me to take it from a distance?
Yeah. Better pull my pants up here. Okay. I don't get any weird.
Oh, it's still recording?
Yeah, it's still recording.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Can you get him? Yay, here we go. Here we go. Yeah.